much is too much. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I can liberate you from the shackles of clutter and disorganisation so you get peace of mind and achieve whatever you want. And I'm delighted to have Sue Bradley, eating psychology coach, with me today.
Yes, I'm Sue from Eating Psychology UK, and I help people all over the world to change the way they eat. So whether you're an overeater and you'd like to learn how to say no to eating too much, or whether you're just eating the wrong foods, I can help you.
You might be familiar with Sue from my playlist, The Office That Time Forgot, about Sue and I decluttering her untidy office to create an inspiring, efficient space to work. If not, I've put a link to that playlist in the information below, so take a look. Sue's here today because, as we've been working together, we keep noticing parallels in what we do. We both address overconsumption, don't we?
Yes, we do. Too much stuff and too much food. It's all clutter. It's all overconsumption, amassing too much stuff. It's making us obese, both literally with our bulging bodies and figuratively with our bulging houses.
And just like you can't clear your clutter backlog overnight, you can't transform your body overnight.
Yeah, it's about learning new techniques, changing your mindset, and then embedding these new habits to make sure that you stop taking in more than you need or want, be that food or stuff.
So, having spotted these parallels, we decided to officially introduce each other to our subscribers. And Sue's got a fantastic special offer to share with you.
Yes, I'm offering a bespoke package of eating psychology coaching worth £395 for just £345. That's £50 off the normal price. All you need to do is click the link below and message me. And if it's within a week of this video being published, quote the code CLUTTER and get the discount.
Wow, that's amazing. So that discount's just available for the next week, right?
That's right. And even if you've missed the discount, click the link I've given to Rachel to get my free ebook containing all my recipes from when I was on Come Dine With Me.
And by the way, she won. So click the link now.